Oh, your actual race car.
That's the race car, you see? It's the same copy as the car.
Yeah.
So this was a championship winning car in 2004 and 2005 in Japan. Subaru themselves was a Subaru supported race car. They built the car, they ran the series, and they were very successful with it. And now the car sat in their museum for over a decade. In 2015, they decided to reopen their road racing program, and then that's how they decided to remove this car from their pretty much from their old museum that they have there for all the race cars for rally and stuff like that. We work closely with STI, so what we did is they actually reached out to us and told us, hey, the car is for sale. This is a car that I've been following since I was about 16 years old in 2004 when it came out and it debuted. I've always been in love with this car, and it's kind of nice to see the car went from their hands to our hands here, and we're going to run this car here in the States. We're running FADA, we're running SCCA Pro, amongst other time attack series. Add on the race ROM, so you have multiple maps along with other features as well, and it should increase about 30 to 40 horsepower to the wheels. Okay. 1 and 2. Wow. So map 1, I have it as default for your performance map. Now if you're going a long distance trip like Orlando or whatnot, you want to get better gas mileage, you push and hold cancel. You'll see that RPM go up to 1. You click 2. Push enter, and now you're map 2. Now map 2 is designed for fuel economy. Doesn't mean you can't get on the car, you can't get out the car. Like if you floor it, you won't see the better gas mileage, obviously. If you drive it normal, very just consistent, and without giving it hard acceleration, it should give you better gas mileage in map 1. So right now we're tuning for performance, so we're gonna go to map 1. So the way you do it is push cancel, okay? So go ahead and do it for me. Push and hold cancel.
Okay, push and hold.
Alright. Okay, now go up with the cruise control. See how it goes to map 2.
And that's for
fuel economy. Okay, and it automatically goes back. You see how it entered into stage 2, so now we're gonna do. There we go. Now we're at map
1. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woo!
here. Just chill right here for me.
100,000 miles. Look at this car drives. Wow. This one for the record.
It came out just from the dealer.
That's right. Folks, go Infiniti.
Beautiful. 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 All right. Superb. Superb. right, guys. What do you think? Good results?
That was awesome.
Good, good. I'm glad you're happy. That car performs exactly what we expected. Everything's within parameters. No knock feedback, no corrections. The computer's content. Considering the temperatures, atmospheric temperatures right now, which are probably a little bit in the 90s and probably well over 30% or 50% of the humidity, the car is performing very well. So,
Alright, so I'm just trying to get this done, Pat. So when I want it to be, you know, fuel economy.
push
I was
cancel, hold push and hold cancel. Okay, now go up and push cancel again. Now you're full economy.
Oh, and then when I want to change back, just press the same thing and then
And go
push,
one.
go down. Okay.
So do it again.
So,
Cancel. Good. Go down. And enter. There you go. Perfect.
so saving a little gap. So it could always have done that. I just didn't know.
No,
Oh, okay.
it does that now because we tuned.
Oh, okay.
The software that I installed has multiple. So I can put up to 4 different maps, but there's no point of giving you 4 maps if you're not going to use them.
Yeah.
Like if you wanted to use like exotic fuels like E85 or C16 or 100 octane, then we can tune it for that, and that will give you about 90, an extra like 20, 30 horsepower, you know, depending on what the modifications and whatnot that you have.